Hey guys, what's going on? I'm James with Evolve Airsoft, and today we're reviewing the APS Boar Tactical 118. The Boar Tactical comes with a full metal receiver, a keyless mod system. Haven't used the mods for anything, just using them as like a C-grip, so it helps me grip. Comes with a BKA dust cover, super clean. Has a hop up with the gold, super nice. Has an electric blowback, so it makes it more realistic. Ambidextrous sling points on either side. Comes with a Ambidextrous Mag Release as well. 300 round polyester magazine. Flatline trigger, just kind of help you spam away. Has a multi-position crane stop. Also, it's where the battery is, right there. Comes with a battery. And then that's about it for the externals. Internally, it has a Silver Edge version 2 gearbox. Eliminates kind of the wear and tear that you normally get on your gearbox. So, other than that, I've used it today. It's super nice, so let's go shoot it. Alright guys, one more thing before you guys leave. We are giving away this mesh face mask at 50 subscribers. All of my team and I use them. We love them. So just to be entered for this, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below, and a winner will be chosen at random. From everyone at Revolve Airsoft, thanks, and have a great day.